Hari Om students, in the last class we have seen how to draw a square box using the concept turtle in Python program, and I remember that I have given an assignment for you to write a program to draw rectangle box using the same concept. Now we'll see how to draw a rectangle box in this session. As we already know, first we need to import the library turtle. Next, create an object for the turtle. Write the for loop. In the square box we have four equal sides. Now we are writing the code to draw the rectangle box. Rectangle box also has four sides. Two sides are equal and another two sides are equal. So let the for loop range be 2. And now let's give instruction to the turtle. Let's give instruction to the turtle to go forward and let the length be 100. Again, let us give the instruction to the turtle to take right direction with an angle of 90 degrees. And again, let the turtle go forward. Now let the length be 50. As I already told you, rectangle also has four sides with two sides equal. And again, let the turtle take the right direction with an angle of 90 degrees. Let us save and run the program and we'll see the output. So here you can see the rectangle box drawn by the turtle. Now let's write another program to draw star. First remove these instructions. Draw a star. Let the for range be 5. So turtle is supposed to draw 5 lines in order to appear it as a star. So here I have kept for loop range up to 5. Let the turtle move forward and let the length be 100. Next instruction, let the turtle take right direction with an angle of 144. So the turtle is supposed to take right direction with an angle of 144 and it is supposed to draw 5 different lines in order to appear it as a star. Let us save the program and run and we'll see the output. So here you can see the output, star. So generally we will be getting white background window named Python Turtle Graphics. Here you can able to see the output. So we can also change the background color of the window and we can also change the color of the pen. In the first video we have seen how to change the color of the pen. Now we'll see how to change the background color of the window. So first we'll create an object for the turtle screen. First we'll create a screen. So we have created object in the name my window turtle.screen. So now we have created a screen on which we can able to see the star. So this is the program which gives instruction to the turtle to draw a star on the window. Now we have created a screen, and let us give instruction for the color of the screen. And let the color be blue. So save the program and run, and we'll see the output. So here you can able to see the output. Now the background color is changed to blue, and we didn't give any instruction for the pen color. So by default it considers black color, and in the black color we can able to see the star symbol. Now let's change the pen color. And let the color be yellow. So here we have created an object for the turtle screen. Screen is created, and here given instruction, the background color of the screen should be blue, and we have created an object for the turtle and for loop, and here we have given instruction that the pen color is supposed to be yellow, and here by these two instructions the turtle draws square. Let us save and run the program. We'll see the output. So background color blue, and star pen color is changed to yellow. We can also increase the width of the line. We'll see the code. Let us increase the width of the pen. Dot pen size. Let the size be 15. Save and run the program. So here you can able to see the same window with blue background color, and pen color is yellow, and the width is increased to 15 number. Let us write a program to draw hexagon and pentagon. So pentagon, which is like has 5 equal sides, and hexagon has 6 equal sides. Let us write a generic program for both the shapes. Create an object for the turtle. Let us create a variable for number of sides. So we have created a variable, namely my underscore sides, as we are writing the program for hexagon. Hexagon, we already know it has 6 equal sides. So the variable my underscore sides be stored with the value 6. And let us create another variable for the length. Length in the sense length of each and every slide. Let the length be 70. Now we create another variable for the angle, my underscore angle. Let that be 360 degrees divided by my sides. Now let us write a for loop. Depending upon the sides, for loop is supposed to be iterated. So the range, in the range will give the variable my underscore sides. My dot forward length. Here in the length will give the variable my underscore length. Next, let the turtle takes right direction. Here in the angle we'll mention the variable my underscore angle. Let us run the program and see the output. So here you can able to see the shape of hexagon. Now we'll change the code so that turtle draws the shape of pentagon. So let us change the code to draw pentagon shape. So we already know pentagon has 5 equal sides. So let us change the data stored in the variable my sides to 5. The length let it be 70 and the angle 360 divided by my sides, it won't change. And here in the for loop the range is equal to my sides, it comes 5 here, and forward, right, and angle is also same. Let us save and run the program. So here you can able to see the shape of pentagon. Keep learning. Hari Om.